4.
I have that in first drive.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, it looks functional. It looks like you can get enough air in there to cool the engine. Amazing concept.
Hello, hello, hello.
Nice. No, I'm the back is okay. Yeah, and the wing pumps up when needed, but it's got some air coming through below the wing.
Well, look at the top.
This is that dealership?